How to import contacts to Zoho Mail. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho Mail website and log into your account first. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to import the contacts, you need to go to the Contacts section. Here in the top left corner, you can see the three lines icon, tap on it. Over here, you can see this Contacts icon, tap on it. Now that you're in the Contacts space, you can see this three dots icon over here, tap on it. Now select this Import option. Now you'll be prompted to the Import Contacts space. From here, you can import the contacts into your Zoho Mail account. So you can import the contacts from the local file, your Google account, or your Microsoft account. So you can choose your preferred method. For now, select this local file option. It will prompt you to the file manager in your device. You can select the preferred file from where you want to import the contacts to your Zoho Mail accounts. You can successfully import the contacts into your Zoho Mail accounts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.